Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life and welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit for August. I loved how much I got done with this kit. So I'll leave the link below just in case you didn't see my kit share so you can see what I started with. But I was able to get 9 layouts done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I am so incredibly happy with what I was able to get accomplished. Now let's go into what I have left over and my plans. Excuse the noise for a minute. All right, holy moly. Okay, first things first is I absolutely killed one of the packages of sequins, which makes me so excited. I am so happy with that. I also got that big chipboard sticker border used up that I was really wanting to do. So those 2 were done. Makes me extremely happy. I don't have much left in these tags and frames, so I'm gonna just go through them to decide what I want to keep versus pass on to someone else down the road. So I'll just quickly go through that in my off time and sort through that. This part I'm getting rid of because I'm going to keep this part on my desk. If I do not get this used up by the end of September, it is going away, but this piece is going in the recycling right now because I kept trying to use them and I could not make them work. And so I'm splitting it in half and saying that's good enough for me. I did a great job with my sticker sheets. I'm super happy with what I got done. So I talked about what my plans were for this. I'm going to simply keep this Case of the Mondays because I do like that one, and this sticker as well. And I'm just going to simply go like this. Boom, 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 boom. That's going into my Traveler's Notebook information. This is going away. I'm gonna part with this too. It doesn't really have a ton that I need to keep. I'll go through quickly one more time, see if there's anything I want to keep, but I got this basically killed. So happy with that. I used my little goodies minus the flower in I think this one was for my August Creative Cuts Club that was in there. And I did July's too. The only thing I didn't get to finish up were these cute little sequins. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. I'm just gonna mix these in with my little summer collection, but the rest of this is good to go. I did a really good job with these stickers. I love how much I got used up with that as well. There's just a few arrows, a couple hearts, and a few other pieces there. So this is just gonna simply also sit on my desk and hopefully I can finish it up in October. I got a lot of cut files used, but not all, but I did use some. I attempted to use this once, didn't quite work, but that's okay. It was just more of a fun trying to use the technique. And I did amazing with this paper pad. I didn't think I would get done as much as I did, and I used it a ton. So I think I shall just quickly go through, see if there's any full sheets I can keep, and the rest I'm going to let go of. There is a tiny bit left in a couple sequins, I think 2 cut files, so that was pretty good as well. That just is going to go back into my Creative Cuts Club. I'll probably add this to it too. But I definitely got some of it used up there. The only paper I didn't really use was I used a little bit here, but I didn't really use the all heart paper. So that's okay. I'm just gonna put that back in my stash. I used most of this up, I used a little bit of this up for the layout I wanted. I think I'm gonna just trim this down and I'll save that for some summer layout next year. And then this is one piece I don't think I really touched at all. But that's my full pieces. Everything else is mostly scraps. Lots and lots of scraps. I used up, except for like what, 7 sequins of that Ocean of Color. A couple cut files here. I used some of these stickers, not all of them, so I'll keep this for a little while and see if I can add anything more to that. But everything else is mostly just a couple scraps left over. I only have a few little cut files left, or embellishments left from that Blue Skies collection. And yeah, I feel like I did a really awesome job with my plans and what I wanted to do. I don't normally get this much done in a kit, so just the fact that I got as much as I did makes me extremely happy. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, I will link the original kit so you can see how much I actually had to work with. It was a lot. So I'm just super happy with what I got accomplished, and I'm excited to move into September. A little bit of a different thing happening in September that Daisy and I are bringing back, so I'm excited to work with that. And yeah, guys, that's what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all really soon. Bye!